Forgetting words while speaking English is completely normal. You are in the conversation and suddenly your mind goes blank. Actually, it's a very common because it's not your native language. You don't know each and every word, right? Even sometimes in nervousness, we are speechless in our own native language. We don't find the exact word to speak. So it's okay. We use some other words. So I think there is something hitting in your mind that why not same with English. Even when you use some other words instead of exact word in your native language, no one else judges, right? Even if you make any pronunciation mistake, you feel that it's cool. You don't feel embarrassed. So I want to say that treat English same. Okay, don't think that it's a rocket science, as I always say. And if I can learn who has done studies from a Hindi medium, then why can't you stop getting anxious that you are not from a proper English medium? That was your past and you can't change that. Accept it. Okay, yeah, I know that if you are a working professional or you are a student, so might be your knowledge is getting judged because of your English speaking skill. And that's really sound weird, but it's true. You know, in one of my video I have shared about my English journey. There I have mentioned how a girl talked with me who was from an English medium. Actually, she was trying to show me that I don't have knowledge because I can't speak English. Her reaction, her behavior towards me was literally not good. Okay, that was not decent at all. But that was not my problem, right? I accepted that as a challenge, and genuinely she helped me to learn this language. So that was an advantage for me. So now come to the real topic, why you forget words. So I will say first and simple reason is fear of forgetting. It means you overthink about the next step. Like before completing your ongoing sentence, you think what you are going to speak the next sentence and what word you will use. That is the problem. And sometimes you have race in your mind to prove yourself better than your opposite person. Well, it's the nature of human being. I also had it and it comes naturally, but I find it helpful because this way you will stretch your mind to think in this language more, right? And if your partner has same behavior, then you guys will have flow in the conversation and conversation will last long. And now come to the second why, and the reason is you just read the vocab, not learn. It means you just see the vocab or word, okay, you understand it, you hear it somewhere, and you memorize it, and that's it. You think that you have learned the vocab, but it's not, okay. Yeah, that's the big mistake because that is not learning a word. Actually, what you have done is you have just studied the word. Learning a word is very different. Learning a word is much, much deeper than studying. Okay, like what you have done, you see it, you understand it, you memorize it, you have just checked the meaning in the dictionary, and but you have to do more things. What you have to do is you have to use the meaning. That is the real learning. Again, you have to use that meaning, because without using, you can't imagine that you have learned the word. Okay, no, you can't. Learning, it means you are using the vocab. And one more thing that you have to keep in your mind, that is you don't have to only learn, okay, just you also have to know that when, why, how and how not to use this vocab. That is the real learning. And also try to revise those words again and again, okay, so that word will stay in your mind for longer. Third reason is a less word power. A limited vocabulary stops you to speak English fluently, right? Like there are several ways that affect your English speaking skill if you don't have a good word power. Likewise, I will say that you want to express your thoughts, but what happen is you don't find the exact word to express your thoughts. So what will happen that at the end of the conversation you will start feeling frustrated that I don't know anything. Even you will compare yourself with your friends and colleagues that they really speaks well, but I am not speaking. Why I am not able to memorize the things? You will start feeling low, and that will lower your confidence, and that is not good, okay. You have to always charge yourself to speak English in a better way. And the next reason is you always want to use advanced vocab to show that you are really speaking well, but it's not the right way to speak, because you can also speak with simple words. Yeah, after reaching to a level you can use advanced vocabs, there is no issue. Now, how you can sort out this problem? Write it down. Remember, when we were in our school, our teacher, they really used to advise us that if you find something hard, then try to write it down, so that will come to you easily, and you will remember that without putting much effort, okay. So you have to do the same here. And now come to the grammar section. Actually, we all know tense is enough to speak English, because what we do entire day, that's all in tense. So I would say that learn tense very well, that will be helpful. And don't worry, okay, just keep going.